Howdy folks, it's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors. Man, what a glorious morning here in central Ohio. Almost a bluebird sky. I'm testing the Apex ammunition. This is a tungsten super shot, 18.1 grams per cubic centimeter. It just blows light away. This is 30 yards. I'm shooting the BBs. These suckers weigh 18 grains. So anyways, I'm shooting my Remington 870. This is a vintage, probably from the 1990s. I've got the Boyd's at one stock. I'm shooting the Carlson choke tubes. It's a 690 choke. I've got the Swamp Fox Kingslayer 3 MOA red dot on top. Let's take a shot. Got the high-speed camera going on. Here we go. Nice. All right, folks, I have the 10% ballistic gel set up. I don't think anybody has done this shot with a high-speed camera with shotgun on gel at distance. It is roughly 23 yards. We'll zoom about right there. I got the high speed going on. Here we go. Oh, by the way, this is 1.5 ounces at 1,275 feet per second. Here we go. Nice. Let's check that out. Folks, let me tell you, that is unheard of. Unheard of. Look at that. 15.5 inches of penetration. That's awesome. Look at that tungsten super shot. That's perfectly sphere. That is crazy. So if we look at the wound cavity, that's incredible. I have no doubt that these will kill hogs. That's crazy for BBs. Insane. All right, folks, just as the test, I have one Federal 1 7/8 ounce BBs. These are copper plated buffered BBs from Federal. I think they're like 1,150 feet per second. Same thing, we'll do the gel shot. See what happened there. Yeah, folks, you can't even compare the lead shot compared to the tungsten super shot. These made it about 9 inches, and they are somewhat deformed. Yep, 9 inches. All right, folks, I'm just kind of curious. I'm back at the 50-yard line. The Apex ammunition 12 gauge TSS BBs. See what happened there. Folks, this is just unreal. 50 yards, and they're still penetrating 14 inches. That's crazy. Look at that. That's easily 14 inches at 50 yards. Oh my goodness. I would have never guessed that. I mean, I got one right here. I got a couple. Oh my gosh. I got a couple at the 15-inch mark as well. There. Tell you what, it's hard to get these, it's hard to get round shot with some tactical hemostats. There we go. Nice. That's pretty cool. Tungsten Super Shot. I'll show you the lead BBs for comparison. See how that lead BB deformed? See how that lead BB deformed there? All right, folks, I am at the 60-yard line. I want to see how these bad boys are patterning. Folks, I'm telling you, that is a dead coyote. I mean, look at that. Unbelievable. You know, I'm thinking this could be a 100-yard coyote gun. Hey, what do you think? All right, folks. I may be eating my words, but I don't know. Here we go. 100 yards, Apex ammo, BBs, TSS. I'll promise you, they got enough kinetic energy to kill at this range. Can we get shots on my little coyote target? Here we go. I don't know, let's check it out. Folks, I am telling you, this is a 100-yard load, without a doubt. In fact, I'm going to run the ballistic app, show you the 100-yard terminal performance. I mean, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in the kill zone. And I know this tungsten super shot will kill a coyote, no doubt. That's just crazy. All right, folks, it's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors. I got a new stock, actually new for me, coming from Boyd's, the Sterling thumb hole. You know, when I got this stock, I didn't think about it, but you all know if you guys turkey hunt, red is not a good color to have. So I got one coming in Coyote Brown. Anyways, the Swamp Fox Kingslayer 3 MOA red dot did great. I mean, you know, look at that, 100 yards, folks. That is insane. Now stay tuned. I'm going to be doing more testing with the Apex ammunition. More pattern testing, more ballistic gel testing. Obviously, the Carlson choke tube did well. And you know what? If I sit down and put my thinking cap on, my math cap on, maybe I can calculate the shot string length at 100 yards. Remember, support our Second Amendment rights. We'll see you all later.